View Video Doorbell. This video doorbell looks like a normal doorbell, but when someone calls at the door, the built-in camera activates, and the visitor's image is displayed on a small screen indoors. In addition, the signal is transmitted to the owner's smartphone. Thanks to this, the user can monitor visitors both at home and away from it. The doorbell can be controlled using a special mobile application. The device has a 5-inch touchscreen display and a camera with a 180-degree viewing angle. Besides, you can set the device to start recording when the motion sensor is activated. Thanks to the built-in microphone and speakers, the user has the opportunity to speak with the visitor. The battery ensures trouble-free operation of the device for 2 months. The price of View is $249. Spice up your dishes with daily fresh green, suggests the company that created Harry Herb's pots. These pots allow you to grow plants traditionally in the ground or using hydroponics technology. They're perfect for microgreens and other herbs, and you can enjoy your harvest in just 3 or 4 days. Additionally, these pots are handy for seedling preparation, and each one is priced at $42. It's time to turn your house into a tech wonderland. Whether you want to keep an eye on your home while away or add some cool ambience while gaming, these devices are designed to help you stay in control of your home, no matter where you are. Oh, and there's something truly insane for those who can barely boil water. Moly Robotic Kitchen is the ultimate solution for anyone who hates cooking but is tired of bland delivery food. Simply tap the touchscreen a few times, whether it's on the main display or on your mobile device, and watch as Moly frees up your day from the monotony of cooking and customizes your menu to fit your diet and lifestyle. This kitchen wonder not only cooks complete meals but also keeps track of ingredients, suggests dishes based on what you have in stock, and even learns your personal preferences. Plus, Moly takes care of the cleanup so you can sit back and enjoy your delicious meal. Solving the tie storage challenge is now a piece of cake thanks to ingenuity and technology. This organizer can accommodate 64 ties, rotating them back and forth with added backlight. It's versatile enough to store belts too. All this comes at a price of $35, but remember that the 4 C-type batteries are sold separately. This Acara smart thermostat will help me to reduce the electricity bills. It works with most radiator valves and is compatible with a wide range of ecosystems and voice assistants. That's important. This thing requires a hub and a couple of temperature and humidity sensors. With its easy-to-use app, you can customize the temperature to your liking and save energy by turning off the heating when doors or windows are open or there's no motion detected. Plus, set schedules for day and night or use geofencing to heat your home before you arrive. The thermostat even syncs multiple radiators in one room for maximum efficiency. So why settle for a chilly home when you can enjoy a warm, energy-saving abode with the Acara Smart Radiator Thermostat? Rely on the Gim Composter for dealing with your kitchen leftovers. This machine accommodates 19L of waste, such as vegetable scraps and bread crusts, producing up to 2 kilograms of compost daily. It operates quietly, so it won't disrupt your chats with friends. Plus, its industrial-grade deodorization system tackles any unpleasant smells. The only issue here is the price of $900. In 2015, the U.S. experienced abnormal rains that occurred 80% more frequently than climatic norms. Luckily, there's a fitting solution on the American market. Attached to the rain gutter, this system directs 85% of rainwater into storage tanks, filtering out branches, leaves, and debris. The collected water is handy for watering plants. You can buy the installation kit for one pipe at $39. Tersa steam. Over time, clothing wears out and loses its former appearance. This is due to improper care, numerous washings, and the effects of ironing. Besides, it takes a long time to iron clothes. This is the first wall-mounted, fully automated garment care system. The device irons out wrinkles, removes unpleasant smells, and refreshes any clothes. Tersa steam doesn't require an external connection to a water supply and doesn't have a water tank. The device uses special capsules that don't contain any chemicals. The capsules have added smells designed to remove the unpleasant odor from clothes, giving them a fresh look. Tersa steam needs only 10 minutes to get your clothes ready for use. This smart system costs $339.